It was a false sense of falling. You couldn't have given me